This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 9th of July. I'm James Spann. Active showers and storms in progress over a pretty good chunk of the state this afternoon, but by the time the weekend gets here, the weather will be trending drier. Let's go in there and check some of the Skycam shots around the network today. We'll start with a Skycam coming from Tuscaloosa. The sky there is mostly cloudy. Had some rain in the area this morning. New storms are firing this afternoon. That's coming from Cheaha State Park. Big billowing cumulus cloud to the south of the site there. They've got some strong storms in progress just south of Cheaha State Park. And yep, the Alabama Gulf Coast looks good. Tomorrow there could be a little increase in the number of showers and storms, but by Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and early next week, the weather looks good. About 7 to 9 hours of sunshine for the weekend with just a few widely scattered storms. Pretty anomalous trough for the middle of summer over the eastern U.S., and that is pushing a surface boundary down that way. The surface boundary is roughly along Interstate 40 at mid-afternoon. There's a look at showers and storms that have formed. That was at 2:40 from near Montevallo over to Lay Lake, Goodwater, and Lake Wedowee. That is on the outflow of the rain we had this morning. And other storms have formed up in Tennessee, so we'll maintain the chance of showers and storms at least through early tonight. Temperature's not too bad for a July day. Only 82 in Birmingham and Fort Payne, 80 for Cullman and Haleyville. Hot spot well down to the south, Montgomery at 93. There's the watch warning map around the nation, and you can see a few flash flood watches out west. Things are fairly quiet. There's the overall severe weather risk for the rest of today and tonight. Slight risks over the Great Plains and parts of the Northeast. And tomorrow, day 2, a slight risk on the Nebraska-South Dakota border. Here's the rain for the next 5 days. This is suggesting average rain amounts of about 1 inch, and this is valid through Monday morning of next week. And the tropics remain very quiet. Here's a look at the GFS, the Global Forecast System, the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon at 500 millibars, troughing over the east, upper high over New Mexico. And down below that, the surface boundary should be somewhere near the Alabama-Tennessee border with a nice cool air mass north of there. This is the high-res NAM tomorrow at 5 o'clock, tomorrow afternoon, showing scattered showers and storms. We'll play it that way. Don't think the coverage of the rain will be as great as what we have today, but still a few spots could see a passing storm. Then for Friday, the day looks relatively dry, just a slight chance of a shower, lots of sun, the high at or just over 90. That'll pretty much be the situation for the weekend. There's a look at Saturday. Lots of sun, a slight chance of a shower, highs in the low 90s, and pretty much the same thing on Sunday. Any showers should be very isolated, highs low 90s, maybe mid-90s in a few spots, especially over West Alabama. Monday of next week, the upper high moves over toward the Four Corners. Hey, it looks like the polar vortex up there north of the Great Lakes. Down below that, Monday looks a little drier on this run. We have seen other runs a bit more aggressive with moisture coming back, but we'll mention a chance of scattered afternoon showers. Here's Tuesday, partly sunny, a few scattered showers and storms, the high close to 90. And Wednesday, now the surface boundary approaching from the north, that might bring an enhancement of showers and storms by the middle part of next week, and highs probably by then dropping back into the upper 80s. We'll check the end of the forecast, July 25th. Big upper high over the nation's midsection with troughing on the East Coast. And down below that looks very typical for late July. Partly sunny with a few spots getting a shower or storm. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.